Hello guys, today our topic is human resource management methods. To promote ethics and fair treatment, managers can use personal activities support the employer's ethics goals. Number 1, selection. Number 2, fairness. Number 3, ethics training. Number 4, performance appraisal. Number 5, reward and disciplinary system. Number 6, managing ethics compliance. Number 1, policy and procedures. Policies and procedures defining employee rights and responsibility can found firms personal manual. An example of one such right is that an employee can be complained of discrimination against a supervisor with the HR department. An example responsibility is when employees notifies the HR department and supervisors and obtaining outside employment. HR manager roles. It is the HR manager's role to encourage his company to implement ethics, laws, and other employment laws justly and fairly. For example, the HR manager must protect employee from being retailed against for action that comply with Sarbanes-Oxley Act. This act states, for example, that the names of any accountant associated with company with participate in or contribute the audit report preparation must be given to the Public Company Accounting Oversight Board. Due process. An HR manager consults manager, supervisor, or sensitive personal matters such as employee discipline and termination. He suggests ways to handle these matters while respecting an employee's right to fair treatment, including due to process. For instance, if a special committee investigates an employee's misconduct, the HR manager should be notified of investigation and charge. He should also be able to present evidence, have represented present, and be informed of investigations findings. This is an example of how an employee receive equitable treatment throughout a personal matter. Individuals' rights. HR managers also investigate allegations that employees' rights are violated. According to Richard L. Doft and Dorothy Marek, authors of Understanding Management, a manager or co-freedom of conscience, free speech, and life and safety. Managers should ask employees to do anything that violated their basic rights, such as performing an action that endangers their personal safety, unless specifically outlined in their job description. The ethics and of behavior. Ethics are normally moral principles that govern business behavior. It's critical for HR personnel to understand that compliance with federal and state employment regulations does not necessarily mean the business is practicing ethical behaviors. One business public is that while laws and regulating create defined standard of behavior, the concept of ethics is more subjective and in ethical behavior framework. HR employment practices must not be adhere a legal guideline but also model and adhere the business core values. Thank you guys.